How to treat wounds and cuts with herbs. When it comes to cuts and wounds, most people rely on conventional methods such as medication, bandages and antibiotics. However, you can also use herbs to treat these injuries. In fact, some herbs are even more effective than conventional treatments. Here are a few of the best herbs for wound healing. Calendula. This herb is a potent antiseptic and helps to prevent infection in wounds. It also helps wounds heal and reduces inflammation. Calendula oil, made from the marigold flower, is probably one of the best oils for healing wounds, soothing eczema and relieving diaper rash. Calendula balm is very effective in treating conditions that wound the skin like psoriasis, eczema and acne. Chamomile. This herb makes it ideal for treating wounds that are sore or inflamed. It also has antiseptic properties, which means it kills germs and bacteria. It has even been shown to be just as good as steroid cream to heal skin ulcers. Lavender. This herb not only smells nice, it has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, which help to speed up the healing process. It is also reported to reduce the amount of scarring too, which is worth considering if the wound is on your face. Echinacea. This herb is a powerful immune booster and helps to fight infection in wounds. It works well on cuts and burns and has been used for hundreds of years. Garlic. This herb has antibacterial properties and can help clear up infections in wounds. The active ingredient in garlic is allicin. This compound is amazing as it is antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. But if you don't like the taste, you can get it as a tasteless supplement. Unfortunately, it is less effective when it is cooked, and as much as I love garlic, I really don't want to eat it raw. Having said that, you can get it pickled or in oil, which seems to make it more palatable. Tea tree oil. This oil is antibacterial and antifungal, making it ideal for treating wounds that are infected or inflamed. Tea tree oil is also good for healing skin wounded by acne. Finally, whether using herbs or not, be sure to clean the wound thoroughly and cover with a clean bandage to prevent infection. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.